Welcome to our Ultimate Graphics Card Showdown. Today, we are comparing two powerful contenders in the gaming world. The PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti. Both cards promise high performance and cutting-edge technology. But which one truly stands out? Let's explore their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique in the gaming landscape. When it comes to memory, the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti takes the lead with a whopping 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, compared to the PNY RTX 5070's 12 GB. This additional memory can provide better performance in memory-intensive applications and games, allowing for higher resolutions and smoother gameplay. However, the PNY RTX 5070 still offers a robust performance with its 12 GB, making it suitable for most gaming scenarios. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The PNY RTX 5070 features a triple-fan cooling system designed to keep temperatures low and performance high. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti utilizes the innovative TORX Fan 4.0 technology, which enhances airflow and cooling efficiency. Both solutions are effective, but the choice may depend on your specific cooling needs and case design. Brand reputation can play a significant role in purchasing decisions. PNY is known for its reliability and performance in the graphics card market, while MSI has a strong following among gamers for its innovative designs and features. Both brands offer solid warranties and customer support, but your choice may depend on personal preference and past experiences with either brand. In conclusion, both the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti offer impressive features and performance for gamers. The choice between them will ultimately depend on your specific needs, whether it's memory capacity, cooling efficiency, or brand loyalty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.